2016, surf and turf, 29th of July. And why do we know that?
It's Q's birthday.
My birthday. Great start to the day. We slept in, and then Steve can get the motor running.
Hell of a start.
But it's going now. So it is now 9:10, and we're just going out of Whangamata, try and catch a fish to get in this competition. The boys are in the bush. The plan is to win it on day one, and then have a play on day two. What do you reckon?
No pressure.
No pressure.
Yeah.
No pressure at all. We're confident that the boys will get their peak because they're just class hunters, but as far as we go, we got all the gear, no idea. But we'll see how we go.
Been a slow morning. We've caught a conga eel, we've caught a barracuda, a granddaddy harpooker, a little snapper. Now let's see what Corin's hooked on to. Hey, he's making it look like it's hard work.
Not nodding.
Not nodding. We've also caught a couple of carpet sharks this morning.
I'm guessing this is a shark.
Shark?
Got a whole strip of barracuda. Far away. Here it comes. Oh, big stingy. Big shark. Holy fuck. What the size of him?
Oh.
Oh, you want it to stay on there, mate?
I know.
Hey?
Radio, this is Jazz, doing my uniform 3129, Jazz, doing my uniform 3129.
Oh, look at this. Look at, oh my god. Oh my god, Stephen. Oh my god. 20 pounder, buddy.
I'm in the
20. Oh, we're out of here, buddy.
Right, look at that. Heat on it.
Oh my god, we're out of here.
Hey?
We're out of here.
Something to hold up to him there. Huh?
Oh my god. That's your 20. Oh, are we out of here? I think so. We can't beat. Yeah! Woo! Fucking beauty.
Yeah.
We're out of here.
Hey?
We're out of here.
You done?
Yeah, man.
Huh?
You can't beat that.
Nah.
That's like 10 kilos.
Yeah. Alright, we're done. Let's go before the wind gets up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey.
I'll show you how to take a fish with.
Yeah.
Oh, the paparazzi.
No, it's too You might have to do that with everybody.
8.806.
Wow.
806.
19.
Just under, eh?
Yeah.
And what
Fuck.
are your team members saying, please?
Yeah, I'll just.
I think your name's on here.
You need to tell that.
Don't worry about it. Just on Gutted.
Oh man. We tried.
Alright, is it good?
Yeah. What was it? 8.8.
8.8. Always got a good fish, but they get in the hand.
Them, we don't put this together. The helpers, the committee of the Ocean Sports Club, thank you guys for down there doing all the, taking notes, writing all the names and numbers down. Nigel from Bubbers, who helped me put all the stage together. Paul Carson, who helped on the committee, subcommittee we've got. Steve McGarry, who did the barbecue, he organised all that. Bruce Gibson, he ran around over in Hamilton and organised some sponsors for some beautiful prizes over here on the side. A mutton raffle up there that you guys get into. Dave Chandler, he was on the weigh station weighing your pigs. And anyone else that was down there that I've forgotten, thanks for helping us. Awesome guys, give them a round. Next is our sponsors. As you know, without sponsors, we don't have any of the stuff here that we've got now. Okay, the sponsors are Bubba's Hunting and Fishing, Ridgeline, Whangamata Scaffold, Blair Leach, who put all the scaffold out there, McCormick Transport, Gavin and Shirley McCormick, Waikato Sangyong, Matty Jerich, Total Span, Errol and Diane Furs, Wally Smith Killing Processing, Ross Smith, Whangamata Ocean Sports Club, Carter's Building Supplies, Whangamata, for the lovely prize, the chainsaw, Bunnings Supplies for the barbecue, Peninsula Pig Hunting Club, who've donated prizes, and that's our sponsors, guys. Give them a round, please. Thank you. Okay, second in the team snapper is Team 5 with a weight of 8.806 kg.
Woo! Get up there, Steve. Yeah.
Okay, first snapper, weighing in at 10.699 kg, is Team 11. Here he comes. Awesome, man. Excellent fish. Okay, we're going to get all these 5 guys on the front here and get a good photo of them.
He's up there already. Yeah!
Okay guys, all turn around, you're going to get a nice snapshot. Okay, thank you Diane for the snapper prizes.